Hey guys, if you are looking for top analytics challenge with cash prize, pre-placement interview and internship opportunity, then this national level competition is for you. And the best part is that this is not just for engineering student but also student from management, arts, commerce, science, undergraduate and postgraduate. So let's quickly explore everything about TVS Credit Epic 8.0 Analytics Challenge. TVS Credit is a premier campus challenge program designed for college students to solve real life business problem. And the best part is that participation is completely free of cost. Team structure are 1 to 2 team members per team. Eligibility criteria. All engineering students such as BE, BTech, ME, MTech, Arts, Commerce, Science, BA, MA, BSc, MSc, BCom, MCom are eligible. Year of study. Engineering students from second year, third year and fourth year are eligible. Team rules. Cross campus teams are not allowed. One student cannot be a part of more than one team. If you have not registered for the Adobe University Hiring Challenge 2026 yet, where you can get a 1,10,000 rupee per month stipend with MacBook Pro and many exciting prizes, make sure to register soon. You will find the register guide video link in the description of this video. Further, stages and timeline. First, demo quiz. Optional practice round to familiarize yourself with the platform. No elimination means it is just for practice round. No elimination will be take place. Second, teaser round. This is a elimination round. Solve 20 questions based on the TVS credit product via social media hints. Top 50 get direct entry to round second. Means you can get hint for this treasure hunt from TVS credit products social media challenge. And the top 15 participant will be moved through to the next round. Round first, online quiz, 30-minute test covering analytics 20 questions and financial literacy 10 questions. Round second, case study, submit a 1 to 2 page solution for one of the two provided case studies. And the final round, grand finale, all finalists must present their solution in the front of judges. Now, rewards and benefit. First, cash prizes. The winner of this challenge will get 1 lakh rupee. Second runner up, first runner up will get 75,000 and second runner up will get 50,000. And one more special challenge reward is special jury, which is 25,000. Career growth, pre-placement interview opportunity for summer internship and management trainee roles, and participation certificate for all valid participation. Now, syllabus and focus area. First part, analytics, which involves quantitative aptitude, statistical methods, and data science concepts. Financial literacy, general awareness about financial product and the TVS credit portfolio. And case study skills, problem identification, algorithm approach, and evaluation metrics. Deadlines and rule. Registration deadline are August 14, 2026, 11:59 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Important rules. TVS Credit holds the right to verify registration details. Any violation of criteria leads to immediate disqualification. And if you have further any query, please comment below or contact at this mail epic@tvscredit.com or support@unstop.com. Now I will explain you the registration process. Simply in the description of this video you find the registration link. Simply click and redirect on this page. And this challenge is conducted on Unstop. If you don't have account on Unstop, please make a account. And about 3000 plus students are registered in this challenge. Simply press register button and you can redirect on this page. Add some basic details like first name, last name, email ID, mobile number, gender, and your basic college details. Simply press terms and condition checkbox and press next. And the final phase is to make your team. You can participate solo as well as maximum 2 members team size. And if you further have any query, please comment below. Stay tuned for more hiring challenge, internship opportunity, top valuable certification from Microsoft, AWS, Oracle, and many more.